Okay, these are just kind of rough lines. We're gonna come back and make that a little neater. I'm just doing this little rough sketch so we'll know where to put the lines. You're gonna make the lines a little taller as you go so it can match the windows, okay?
Now, after God confused their language, the people found themselves speaking in different tongues, unable to communicate and work together.
I'm gonna move this one over just a little so it's not too close to the window. Got it? I'm gonna do one over here, okay? Fill in this gap here. You're gonna come back and erase all those extra scribbles and all of that too, okay? What you're gonna do is 3 down here. Okay, and I'm gonna leave that at 2 since we have the corner right here already touching the window. Make this one a little clearer.
With the tower abandoned, the people dispersed across the land, embracing the various diversities in which we actually see today.
Okay, got that? All right, now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to the very top up here. We have about 4 little dash lines kind of at the top just to show where the tower stopped. And I'm gonna do 2 more lines like this right above here, okay? So do the same thing you did here, right here at the top. So we're gonna do this. 1 line here, connect that, go up, another line there, connect that, got it? Now you're gonna do a line here, and a line here. Okay, now we're gonna do those dashes. Hey guys, I know you're enjoying the lesson. Stop really quick, hit that subscribe button and the like button so we can continue to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ through the arts. Let's continue to spread the gospel through the arts through all of these videos. Share, subscribe, and like. All right, let's get back to the lesson. A dash here, line here, another one here. And it's just to kind of show where the building actually stopped, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back and try and start like retracing some of these lines, and then we're gonna move on to drawing a few people down here at the bottom with some clouds and all of that too, okay? So what I'm gonna do with these lines that I just did, I'm gonna make them a little taller. I want them to reach more to these top windows. So these lines here are gonna come about here. Got one there, this one here, okay?
Now, the Tower of Babel became a reminder of the importance of remaining humble and to not do anything in a prideful or arrogant manner, especially unto God.
All right, now I'm gonna go up with these lines. So you're gonna start it up here. Got it? So up. You still can do a rough sketch because we have to go back and fix everything else as well, okay? Up. Got it? So we just went a little higher with those lines there, okay? Alrighty. Now we're going to start going back, retracing our windows, darkening a few lines so we can make sure it looks nice and clean. Then we're going to go to drawing the people down here and the clouds up top, okay? And after we do that, okay, so let's do that. And I'm going to switch to a sharper pencil. All right, You're going to press in to darken. As you're darkening, you can fix any lines where anything was crooked because you want it to be as neat as possible, okay? Got it?
Now, it's your turn to let your creativity shine. Take a moment to sketch your interpretation of the Tower of Babel and see what lessons it teaches you. Remember, there are no right or wrong sketches. Each one is a unique expression of how God wants your interpretive drawing to turn out.
Alright guys, so we've gotten this far in the drawing. I can't wait to see how it's going to look when it's totally completed. Don't forget to check us out on our website. If you want to learn more about our Biblical Arts Museum, go to abamcenter.com. Also, if you are an artist wanting to earn a profit with your artwork, go over to woodprosper.com and you can begin selling your artwork and earning a profit immediately. Thank you so much again for tuning in. I have been your hostess, ZMarie, here with Heart for Art Live. Tune in every Tuesday, 2 p.m. CST. God bless, stay encouraged, and don't give up on God's calling for your life. Bye, guys. You want to understand God's calling for your life as a visual artist? Well, now you can. Zoe Hoffman's book entitled How to Get Answers Every Time You Pray for Visual Artists, which is inspired by Apostle Dr. Ludi L. Hoffman's book, How to Get Answers Every Time You Pray, The Power of Partnership, you will be guided through what needs to be done in order to properly stay in God's will for your life as an artist. Go online to www.abamcenter.com and order your copy today.